Removing Honda rotor screws, coming up next. Today we're going to be removing some Honda JIS rotor screws, and to do it we're going to use my favorite tool for the job, the Vessel Impacta 980. And as a side note, how do we know they're JIS screws, or Japanese Industrial Standard? Well, if you look close, there's a dot right there. Hopefully you can see it. That dot means it's a JIS screw. Okay, using the trusty Cook TC36BP, let's see if we can knock these loose. And there's one. And there's two. Now, if you don't have a vessel impact screwdriver, or they're really stuck on there, you could take a punch like this, just put it right on that screw head, whack it a couple times. A lot of times that'll loosen it up. I mean, it's really on there and we're just going for it. We could try an air hammer like that, hitting it a few times. You just got to be careful. We could ding things up doing that. So this will probably be my last resort. And then if you just can't get them off, or they're just too messed up, then you have to drill them out. But today, the vessel impact screwdriver is all we needed. And if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Alright, how about a little bit of bonus footage? Those rotor screws came out much easier than I thought. The ones on the other side of the vehicle, they fought me all the way out. So that's why I ended up filming it, thinking that that side was going to do the same thing, but it didn't. So we got another vehicle here, another Honda. Let's see how these rotor screws come out. And taking a look at our rotor screws, we can see that they've been removed before, but they're not damaged. Alright, we'll be using the Vessel Impacta P3 again. And of course, because I'm hitting something, striking something, I got safety glasses on. And that's loose. How about this one? And that one's loose. Vessel for the win again. And that one doesn't appear to be any worse. And same thing for this one. It looks good too. Well, I was hoping they would fight us a little bit more, but sometimes that's the way it is. Thanks for sticking around to the end.